Hi everyone, welcome to Yogna and Danish Show. I am here with another topic that is properties of material. So let's see what are the properties of material. There are 5 types of property of materials. First, it's lustrous, hardness and softness, solubility, float and sink, transparent. So, in this video, I will cover all these properties. So, first we'll learn appearance. So, appearance is divided into two parts, lustrous material and non-lustrous material. So, if we cut or scratch a material, it will shine. If it shines, it's lustrous materials. Means it has lustrous. Example is iron. All metals have lustrous. Non-lustrous material. If we scratch any material, it won't shine. Yeah, like wood. So now we learn hardness and softness. If we touch any materials, some are hard, so they have hardness property. So like wood is very hard, we cannot compress it. If we touch any material, some are soft, so they have the property of softness. Example is cotton and a sponge. Now we will have a comparison about solubility and insolubility. So first, in solubility, the material which dissolve in water are called soluble materials. The liquids which are dissolved in water are called miscibility. Example, honey. The materials which do not dissolve in water, like chalk bottles, sawdust, and many more. The liquids which are not dissolved in water are called immiscibility. Oil floats on water and kerosene also floats on water. So now we'll see float and sink. The materials which are less weight than water float on water. Example, wooden spoon. We can see this is a wooden spoon. Wood is less weighted than water, so it floats on water. The materials which are more weight than water sink in water. See, the example is marble. We are having some marbles in the picture given below. So, marbles sink as they are more weighted than the water. So now, the interesting part, transparent. The material from which we can see the other side clearly. They do not cast shadows, are called transparent materials. The materials from which we can see the other side partially. They cast shadow partially, are called translucent. Materials from which we can't see the other side and they cast dark shadows are called opaque. So now let's go to the summary part. After summary, I will show some pics of our video. We learned the 5 different properties of materials. So the 5 different materials are appearance, hardness, solubility, float and sink, and transparency. Appearance is divided into two parts, lustrous and non-lustrous. Solubility. Solid. If a solid dissolves in water, it's soluble and insoluble. If a liquid dissolves or not dissolved, its miscibility and immiscibility. And transparency is divided into three parts: transparent, translucent and opaque. Now let's see some pics. So, transparent. We can see through this glass. So now, in this, can we see from this frosted glass clearly? No, we can't see it clearly. Can you know what is there behind this door? No, as it's an opaque. Now see the metal. I said metals have the property of luster. So luster means metal. This is a brass metal and it has the property of luster. But wood does not shine, so it has the property of non-lustrous. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe Yogna and Danish show. Thanks for watching.